Sir, if some people catch a Muslim man and tell him to say Jai Shree Ram, otherwise we will kill you, in that situation, if a man says Jai Shree Ram just for saving his life, does his faith go away? That's a very important question posed by Brother Mushtaq, and the situation that we have in India today, that we have many of the Hindu fanatics that are forcing Muslims to say Jai Shri Ram. So in this situation, if a Muslim, because of the fear of being killed or being tortured, if he says Jai Shri Ram, is it accepted? There's a clear-cut verse in the Quran that if under compulsion, even if you do shirk, it is permitted. Shirk is the biggest sin in Islam. If under compulsion, if you are forced to do shirk or say things like Jai Shri Ram, etc., you can very well say it, but in your heart, you should have Iman. So as long as in your heart you believe in Tawheed, that there is one Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and on the lip you say Jai Shri Ram or say words of shirk, as long as in your heart you have Tawheed, it is perfectly fine, it is accepted. It is permitted and you're not doing any sin at all. But sometimes some people would say that if I say that I want to be an example and I don't want to say it and I wouldn't mind being killed, that's a higher level. That if many people are watching on television and somebody is forcing you to say that, and you said I wouldn't mind being killed, I wouldn't mind being shaheed, and I'll not say Jai Shri Ram, that is a higher level. But if someone out of compulsion says Jai Shri Ram or even does shirk or even does idol worship, as long as in his heart there is Iman and he believes in one God, it is permitted to save his life and it is accepted.